Hey all, welcome to Share Trek. This is Raj here. Friends, today I want to talk to you about two positive catalysts for Ginkgo Bioworks. Really excited about this. I waited a long time before selling covered calls on DNA, and now this has happened. And I fear that probably I might lose my shares because my covered calls might be executed. I think one of these catalysts will definitely reinforce credibility for DNA and go a long way to boost its share price. So that's the kind of feeling I have when I produce this particular video. But before we proceed, I request that you subscribe to the channel. If you have already subscribed, please press the notify button. The reason I'm requesting this again is because we are heading to 5,000 subscribers. We are very close to 5,000, and your help is much appreciated. All your support so far to bring us here is also appreciated. Thanks a lot. So with that said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. The first major catalyst for DNA, which will restore a lot of credibility in the minds of those who ever doubted DNA, is that Ginkgo has won a contract to develop cellular biosensor from the US government. Yes, you heard it right. The US government has trusted DNA to develop a cellular biosensor. The US intelligence community awarded it a contract to develop a biosensor that can track the cellular histories of the microbial genome. This is a complicated project. The project was awarded by the Intelligence Advanced Research Projects Activity, or IARPA, the R&D arm of the US intelligence community. The biosensor the company plans to develop under this collaboration would essentially function as a synthetic memory device recording and storing gene expression data within the genetic material of a microbe. Think of it like the black box of an airplane. This is going to be something similar to that. As part of the collaboration, Ginkgo also intends to develop a process to retrieve the data so that the microbe's past exposure can be analyzed. This is like the service that aircraft manufacturers provide in the event of a crash. The black box is retrieved and sent back to the manufacturer, and they take out the information and explain the cause of the crash. So this is two-part for this project. One part is building the biosensor, which will stay in the organism, and the second part is the reader, which will read the information from the biosensor. This tool will allow users to monitor the lab condition and the process to which the cell was subjected. I'm speculating that this may also potentially help trace the origin of microbes when the next pandemic strikes. This could also enable sending these microbes to various geographies and then bringing them back and studying what it is that they were exposed to. This can help do a lot of espionage work in a very refined and sophisticated manner. I think this particular order instantly elevates the stature of DNA, in my opinion, and any success in the milestones in this project will further enhance its credibility. Financial details of this deal were not yet disclosed, but I think sooner rather than later we'll get to know some information. And friends, the other catalyst for DNA is also in a way reinforcing its credibility, because this is a question of repeat order and expanding a collaboration. We have Japanese giant Sumitomo Chemicals expanding its existing partnership with Ginkgo. Sumitomo wants to create what it calls functional chemicals with synthetic biology and has extended its collaboration with Ginkgo to cover this area as well. This objective will be achieved through a fermentation process developed by DNA. The attraction for many companies to tie up with Ginkgo for creating functional chemicals using fermentation process is due to the low carbon footprint and environmentally friendly production process. So as I was lamenting earlier, I sold the covered calls of DNA after waiting for a long time. I sold them for $2.50. And at this point of time, I'm thinking that I have a real potential of losing my shares. However, the positive aspect is that if I sell it for $2.50, I'll still make a few $100 profit. So in a way, I'm happy with that. But at the same time, I think Ginkgo now is destined to go to higher price levels. So that's my thought process. And also, friends, I think a month ago or something, Goldman Sachs, I think, came up with a review that Ginkgo doesn't have much orders in its hands, and therefore there'll be a shortfall of revenue, so they had downgraded. I think it is Goldman Sachs, I can't be too sure, But I suppose that after this news, there will be a lot of analysts reevaluating Ginkgo, and I'm expecting a lot of bullish calls to come out. Of course, this is my personal opinion, not financial advice, so please do your due diligence before investing in Ginkgo Bioworks. But that's what I feel. And friends, you have my opinion already about Ginkgo and what I think about it. What I'm interested is to know what you think of Ginkgo. What do you think about this news article? Is it going to move the needle on the share price? And I would like to have your comment also as to whether you have Ginkgo, what is your average cost price, how much profit are you sitting on, or how much in the red you are. So please do that in the comments. I'll be watching for your comments. With that, I would like to end this video right now. Bye for now.